Hi, Assalamualaikum Madam Jet. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Hazri. I'm from Section 1 online class. Today, I want to present my multiple intelligence. I will start with part 3. Basically, part 3 is based on a bar graph, and I will show you my top 3 and my bottom 3 based on the bar graph. For my top 3, I got from Section 3 Logical, Section 5 Interpersonal, and Section 6 Kinesthetic. And then, for my bottom 3, I got from Section 1 Naturalistic, Section 2 Musical, and Section 9 Visual. So, moving on to my pie chart. Basically, my pie chart based on the bar graph. In my pie chart, my highest percentage is from interpersonal, kinesthetic, and logical. That is my top 3 highest percentage in my pie chart. For question number 1 and number 2, I already explained in part 3. Now, I will explain my question number 3 and number 4. So, question number 3, how do I know what group am I? Because the overall pattern, the highest percentage I got is interactive group. Now, moving on question number 4. Based on the top 3 learning style, the career I might get into is in business marketing. It is true that I want to get into business marketing because I like to manage some work and sharing a thoughtful ideas. Also, I like to interact with other people so I can get some ideas or fact for my own marketing. So, that's all from me. Thank you.